Okay, so quickly looking at the pathogenesis of autoimmune diseases. Pathogenesis of autoimmune diseases. Right. So for this pathogenesis of autoimmune disease, I'm basically just trying to look at what are the causes of autoimmune disease. It's just as simple as that. So genetic and environmental factors are actually what the main key things that are involved in the pathogenesis of autoimmune diseases. So infections and exposure to pathogens or opportunistic organisms are among the environmental factors that may actually induce or initiate or exacerbate autoimmune diseases. You understand? So there's exposure to something, to pathogens, or it could be some organisms that naturally they won't cause an infection to you, except if your immune system is below standard. You understand? So many types of infections may influence one or more of these diseases, and a single organism may be able to trigger more than one autoimmune disease. You get it? So it could be viral infections, could be bacterial infections, could be fungal infections, could be protozoa infections. So for pathogenesis, autoimmune response is what mediated by autoreactive T cell, T lymphocyte or B lymphocyte. These ones are responsible for the production of what soluble mediators like cytokines, nitric oxide, and antibodies that are also formed against your body. That's what they call what autoantibodies. So the whole thing will now lead to what tissue damage. Okay, that may be systemic. In the case of systemic locus erythematosus, or the tissue damage can now be directly specifically to an organ, like what we have in type 2 diabetes mellitus. Okay, so I think this is just it. This one is kind of like a key stuff, talking about the genetic factors, the environmental factors, right? So you can just look at this picture, it summarizes a lot in it. Okay, so that's it.